Hello, I'm Mr. Conductor, and I'm going to tell you a story about trains, folks far apart, and the magic railroad that brought them together. Every story, like a railroad, has its heroes. This is the island of Sodor, where Thomas and his friends live. It's at one end of my special universe.
Hello, Miss. Hello, James. Morning, baby. Hey, wake up.
I like helping out here. By the invitation of Sir Topham Hatt, of course.
The island of Sodor is a world of wonder. There are places and faces that are old and new. There are bridges and tunnels that engines puff through. There are hilltops and cliff tops to climb and explore. There are rivers and railways and much, much more. All on the island of Sodor.
Misty Island Rescue, here we go.
Here we go.
Misty Island Rescue, here we go.
Here we go.
With the boilers all bubbling, the engines are coming. Misty Island Rescue, here we go.
Here we go.
Searching through the tunnels one by one.
One by one.
Searching through the tunnels one by one.
One by one.
Whipping Percy hunting with pistons all pumping. Searching through the tunnels one by one.
One by one.
Bash, Dash, Ferdinand, they're the logging locals, always there to lend a hand. Thomas has to make amends, so he needs his brand new friends today. Hey, helping every way. Edward, James, and Gordon on the way.
On the way.
Edward, James, and Gordon on the way.
On the way.
Steaming across the ocean,
You'll be laughing on the other side of your boilers soon, city steamers. Yes.